use it up challenge that I have been filming for nearly a year now because I have just not been very effective of using this up at all. So this box contains a lot of stuff. So we've got a Japanese curry from the Mingo Company, a packet of garlic powder for some reason, deviled sausages, we've got parmesan cheese in here, we have a cheese and garlic potato bake, 3 packets of chicken noodle soup. I got those on clearance, one from Woolies as well. We don't own an air fryer, but I thought the roast style potato looked good. Scalloped potatoes, teriyaki beef, this is our favorite. Oh, Italian herb potatoes, rich beef mince. This is a Louisiana barbecue chicken. It's like chicken tonight. It's a marinade. The words fail me. Chow mein stir fry. Another potato bake that we have here. Then this is the garlic and herb for lamb shanks. I don't even think I've cooked lamb shanks ever on their own. Couscous that I've since thrown out, so heads up, you won't see that coming up. Flavor your rice, still have that, got that on clearance. And a tom yum Thai noodle soup thing. That got used, but it didn't taste very good. I think my daughter made it, so we just threw it out. So yes, throughout the year when I tried to be active and use up some of the things that was in here, I recorded it and I kept the footage. So of course I'm all gung-ho ready to go. So first up we're going to make a potato bake. So I grabbed out both packets because I wasn't entirely sure which one to use. I don't know why I picked one over the other one. It's just what happened. So I think we ended up going with the Maggi one. The potatoes I whizzed through the food processor for slicing. They are super thin, which just means that they're going to cook a little bit quicker. Yes, I did pick the Maggi one. There you go. So into that is just half a tub of thickened creams. That's all I had left, with a little bit of milk just to thin it out. And I poured it on top and then I cooked that. And with that, or grab parmesan cheese, we have made panko chicken. So I mix panko crumbs with the parmesan cheese and then I roll the chicken through. Sometimes I will egg and flour the chicken, and sometimes I will just put aioli, like a mayonnaise thing on top of it, and it helps the crumbs to stick. I obviously back in whenever this was filmed had cooked lamb shanks, but also I had got this chicken on clearance to make chicken casserole that we do using this chicken noodle soup flavouring. Why I grabbed the Woolworths packet and not the other ones that were there, I don't know. Probably just use it up, like I said. And I have actually made this on the channel before, so you can check it out. It's a separate video. It's pretty easy, but also coming up is some more footage of how I cook it, so I can take you through. This one I noticed, and I think this is the footage that I even used when I filmed how to make it in the standalone video. I noticed that there's actually potatoes in this one, and I think that the starch from the potatoes really helps to thicken it up, because when I made it later on, it was a little bit more runny. So yeah, I don't know whether I like the potatoes in it or not. I served it on top of some veggies. I think everyone else had some rice or mashed potatoes. So next up, diving back into here. Oh, I have used the rich beef mince recently in the November meals. I forgot to keep the footage because I forgot. So that footage is in that video. And this one is here. So we've got the chow mein. I've since decluttered this mince masher cooker thing, and even the saucepan, because the saucepan, the non-stick, it was becoming sticky. It wasn't non-stick anymore. And this mince masher thing was just impossible to clean. So yeah, that went in the latest declutter. Adding in the packet that's here, and I've just got chopped up carrots and corn. We're pretty simple. I don't really like to add the cabbage in there. Hubby doesn't like it, so it just makes it easier to cook something that everybody likes. Teriyaki beef packets are our favourite. They go on sale for about $1.60 or $1.80. They're only about $2, but a little bit of discount is good. We have them with the noodles. My son has chicken nuggets, and this night I had a quiche that I'd bought on clearance, so I just served it with that. We're making another chicken casserole, so here are the chicken pieces left over from that big packet that I'd frozen. So I am cooking from frozen. So I cook them all like this, and then I cover in water and for about half an hour, and then I pull out all the bones. You've got all the chicken left over. I grab another packet of the chicken noodle soup, and then I throw that all back in the pot again with the carrots, and we've got pumpkin in there. And obviously by the looks of this, I've got potato in there as well. Okie dokie. Another teriyaki stir fry sauce, and we've got these noodles again because they're on clearance, and I've just cooked them in a pot and given them to my son with his new chicken nuggets. Oh my gosh, words are failing me today. I'm obviously making another chicken casserole type thing. So I've got chicken thigh this time. I would have got that on clearance. I've thrown in there some onion for flavouring. I'm not very good at cooking flavours and stuff. I've made my own chicken broth. So I've put all of that in there, and I cover that, and it cooks for another half an hour to an hour. And with the rest of the chicken thigh, I just froze it. That's still in the freezer, actually, come to think of it. So I might need to use it up soon. And then this is how I just start pulling it apart. So then the bones will come out of it. But as you see, that chicken literally just pulls apart. And it will still be cooking for another half an hour once I throw all the veggies in, so it becomes very soft. And being a thigh, it's juicy, and it doesn't dry out like chicken breasts tend to do. So as you can see, we repeat a lot of meals, but they're what we like, and it makes it easy. So I will know for stockpiling and when we're cleaning out the cupboard what to keep. Thanks for joining with me with this short video. More videos to come as we clean out this box and use up other things.